Let me congratulate the State Revenue Service of Ukraine and personally Mr. Roman Nasir for electing him as the president of the IOTA. We sincerely congratulate him and wish success and fruitful work on this new endeavor. The Revenue Service of Georgia fully supported his candidacy as the president of IOTA, and we believe that under his presidency, IOTA will further promote cooperation and exchange of experience among member tax authorities, and also IOTA will be further promoted in other international organizations. Let me also wish success to our Ukrainian colleagues at this very important stage of reforms, and we believe that your reforms and changes will be very successful, that will in turn positively affect the investment and economic growth in Ukraine.